Hello everyone, in this short tutorial I will explain to you how to fix remotes not working for Xfinity. So I have a official tutorial, but of course I will run through the steps to perform to fix it as well. So the step number 1, check the batteries. This is the most obvious thing. Open the battery compartment and see if the batteries are installed correctly. If they're low or dead, replace them. Restart the Xfinity box, unplug the power cable from the box, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. After rebooting, check if the remote works. Repair the remote. Hold down the setup button until the LED light changes from red to green. Okay? For remotes without a setup button, press and hold the Xfinity and info buttons together for about 5 seconds until the light turns green. Enter 981 on the remote. This will reset the remote and unpair it from any device. Make sure there's no obstruction between the remote and the Xfinity box. Remove any objects that might block the connection. You can also perform the factory reset. Hold A and D buttons until the light turns green. And lastly, you can also use the Xfinity app. Open the app on your smartphone, navigate to Remote Setup option and follow prompts for troubleshooting. Well, if none of this helps, contact the support for further assistance or replacement, or if you want to get a replacement for the remote. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.